The Internet of Things, or IoT, transforms many businesses and organisations and is already used in a whole range of sectors, including manufacturing, transport, agriculture, and healthcare. Now CENSIS is applying the Internet of Things in another sector, forestry, with the support of a consortium that includes Sentinel and Forest Research, the research wing of the UK's Forestry Commission. A new project from CENSIS is using IoT technologies to address a major challenge to the sector in the form of a small but very serious pest called the pine weevil. With a preference for feeding on the bark of young saplings, pine weevils are a particular problem for the first 5 years of a tree's life. The insects are especially destructive to pine and spruce seedlings, the tree species that are commonly grown in Scotland for the softwood timber market. Left unmanaged, pine weevils can cause devastation in newly planted sites. A conservative estimate indicates they cost UK forestry at least £5 million a year, so protecting trees is of paramount importance. Currently, the management of pine weevils is controlled by manual checks, which can be time-consuming and open to interpretation. This is where CENSIS comes in. Engineers at the Innovation Centre have developed a cost-effective, low-power IoT system enhanced by machine learning to identify and quantify the presence of the insects. To create the system, unique traps known as hylopods are situated around the forest. The traps are equipped with a camera and a light and have pheromones added to attract the insects. The camera switches on at regular intervals to capture images. Using machine intelligence, the CENSIS system identifies which insects are pine weevils and counts them. It then provides an alert. The alert is linked to a dashboard to allow the foresters to determine whether the quantity of pine weevils represents a threat to the forest. Thanks to the IoT system, foresters can then make better informed, more evidence-based decisions about how to manage their sites.